Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. We have a breaking news update from Git County in South Sudan. Heavy fighting has been reported following clashes between the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF, and SPLAIO position identified as Brigade 2. According to the report, senior officers from the SSPDF were reportedly killed in the confrontation. Today, we will break down what happened, who is involved, and what this could mean for security in South Sudan. According to field report, the clash occurred when SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, attacked an SPLAIO position in Git County. During the operation, the commander of the attacking force, Colonel Changfied, was reportedly killed. His chief of security, Falcon, was also reported dead during the confrontation. Sources further indicate that several weapons, including PKM machine and AKM rifle, were seized by SPLAIO forces. In addition, a number of boats which were reportedly used in the operation were also captured. At this stage, the full extent of casualties on both sides remain unclear. No official statement has been released by SSPDF authorities, and it is unknown if SPLAIO will issue a formal response. The security situation in Git County is reportedly tense, with heightened alert in surrounding areas. To better understand this situation, it is important to know a little about Git County. Guit is located in Unity State, has historically been a region affected by conflict. Over the past several years, it has experienced clash between government forces and opposition groups, particularly the SPLAIO. These confrontations often result in displacement of civilians and disruption of local communities. Git County is strategically important due to its location and resources. Control over the area is considered significant for both military and political influence. Local communities have been caught in cycle of violence in the past, with the school, home, and farmland often destroyed. The South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF, is the official government military force responsible for security in South Sudan. The SPLAIO, or Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, is an organized opposition group that was part of the 2018 peace agreement. The tension between two groups have continued despite national and regional effort to maintain the peace agreement. Clash like the one reported in Git County threaten stability not only locally but also across Unity State and other nearby regions. This incident comes at a time when South Sudan peace agreement is already under pressure. The United Nations and regional bodies like the African Union and IGAD have repeatedly called for restraint and dialogue. Violent clashes like this could escalate tension and increase displacement of civilians. They also put pressure on local and national authorities to respond quickly to restore stability. The deaths of a senior officers such as Colonel Changfied and Falcon could complicate ongoing military operation and negotiation between parties. In conclusion, at this point, the situation in Git County is developing We will continue to monitor, report, and provide updates as verified information become available. This breaking news highlights the fragile security situation in South Sudan and the continued challenge in implementing lasting peace. For our viewers, it is important to stay informed and understand that these incidents affect not only soldiers but also civilians in the surrounding communities. This is Changfied News. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notification for continuous update on South Sudan and other regional development. Wasme bana rach kariya gadana shitwo dor shalke Git County. Ken kononi am gorno jin be subscribe ke be notification bell bijitwan. Ami bana linge e update me pai to breaking news chala no chikorja to dor shalke Git County. Chala no cha senior officer cha janektin ka jodana chalat. Men ban lingwas me bala mandana tuogan tama. Wache tika kurmidi da long mchituo, kurmo tuoga kam boni dangro. Kam SSPDF, Key South Sudan People Defense Force, kene kume, Sudan People Liberation Army, or Sudan People Liberation Movement, and or in opposition, they call on SPLA-IO, first by President Dr. Machatin. Gwadan Shaka Martin, a Michel Brigade 2. Keripon Michalat Gwas make a shaking pin chalaro and one Cha senior officer, Kakum SSPDF, Chajanak. Gwadan and she confrontation jet to tin, Kichikorja to tin, and Wale. Banamadan Lero the Banaja link to Ogedi Kajari for the many. Kajomisha known Canadian content with me, Kachalas social media. Why she could to come SSPDF, Canadian SPLIO, Guit County. What then she could to obtain Sha commander and honor Ramadan and Mekume, SPLIO, when we shall call no Kong Quine, Kajodan Charlotte Kaje, Wachajanak. Tanakel Kene is chief security, would the Michelle Palkan. Agent Jordan Charlotte Shakanagre Kuramo. Neither con report machine. A Kanisha meeting one shaka kef, committed torch at PKM, a la PKM, and a KM rifle, committee shaka, Bukuma SPLIO, Kadini, SSPDF. A Joma Chala can Chalado Ishike Boni can get kef, and honor Kajodan Chicanalat. Manadian Guazame, Night Condiale, Korame Mutuoga, quit a mom where Kuma SPLIO tell me Chalat, a nyok Kuma SSPDF tell the statement Michigan release. But a report me shall alternating content when me and honor. Canadian corn till at Karajame, the Galado Kurmate to Oka, Shiliache to Oka, Jiboni. Secure situation Git County, Beja, Kajodan Shalat Kija. Koban take a good understanding, come on, show the lot, Git County Maniam. Git County, Jen take a unit state. A wajen a guad mugua long me dormugua mela terke. Gurga je kuma SPLIO ka gurga je woni kuma SSPDF anona ci ko ngani ko rundi altechi wo ci ko sharian laade long en dor shal Git County mo ci te kurmu di mi choro laat ko gonde tum wanci mo ngai kone ka chala do jen dor kuma SPLIO antama ci de ni SSPDF ci kan wetin ka ci kana ma ka jen mukul te liya lin kono mene te report mi chala no ka ngani sha jojo ki ngani ci na jojo ba chala jen no ci liya ci to Git County jana wa take a location magwa wa take a resource me so enemy gurga mono de latinate ko ken wala kana gujin mi kana kaf they can take a long medi no de kana local communities a kana de kono shoot wan mi nyen kume kana SPLIO nyen katin ka jo chalat gwa some South Sudan People Defense Force ala chalat wonena kana Canadian content wa kap ko kur kuma SPLIO ngai kondi ale Chagaje ke 2015 the 2018 chamal chaje tan kam SSPDF kana kume SSPDF kuma kim yadi kana kuma Dr. Machar then ka kora ke kan rundi ti ano ke jen 2025 ko la pattern konen be to ka paru ka pay dok chural chobo to kon wana mo chu men tam ngot kor mo ngoratin so right now right corner chu kor me je tok ti liya je tok tin Kaje report me shalke United Nations regional bodies can Africa Union ke GATT and they can cease fire they can capture can bondang ro ko jodan chalat shit ke report shanon gwas me what situation ka Git County be jelong bana more detail bana kale jiga yo gwada dan sha full report charging yo ana ban jumro dien bi atake mal bye bye